Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code on Oracle Linux 9.5. Okay, first verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the free installed application or not. So applications, see here we don't have VS Code. So open the default browser, web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Click on it, then go to code.visualstudio.com and download. Then see here we have the RPM package, or click on download, both are same. Then we have to click on this RPM package, click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 144 megabytes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh. Then give the code, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now click on activities, then show applications. See here we have the visualstudio code. Click on it. See, you got the visualstudio code application. Close this one. You can also open visualstudio code application. Just type code on the terminal. Hit enter. See, you got the visualstudio code. Okay, we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore, so remove it. rm code, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. So we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install visualstudio code on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.